name is Jane and I am a QA engineer in Redwerk. After moving to a new city and getting to know it, I decided to change my work from a small product company for a variety of projects and more vast opportunities to develop in different directions of outsourcing. After starting to look for options, I came across Redwerk and luckily joined the company. I like Redwerk team and atmosphere. For now, I've been here for about 2 years. When I was still in school, I didn't think at all that I would work in IT. I was bad at mathematics and exact science. In high school, I began to worry who I want to be and what to do. And for some reason, I was pushed away by the idea of work related to the humanities, and I felt that mathematics and other exact sciences could not be as complicated as it seemed to me before. Therefore, I decided to turn to several teachers in these areas. Try my hand and make a choice. In less than 9 months, I managed to pull up all my weaknesses. The final step subsequently was my admission to the Department of Economic Cybernetics. After graduating from university, I also graduated from the QA engineer courses and was able to quickly find a job, able to get in a small company for a small fee. But I really liked it, what I was doing, and did not regret about changing the life vector in radically opposite side. The most basic thing for me in my work in the field of IT is the need of continuous development, because technologies and trends are constantly changing. To be able to deliver high quality performance, I should be in trend 24/7. Also, the area provides nice bonuses like a flexible schedule, the ability to work remotely, various projects, and many more. I'm neutral about the gender issue regarding work. For me, the most important thing is a quality result. And it does not matter who provides this result, men or women. Although I myself began to notice that recently there have been more and more women in tech. Many girls achieve remarkable successes, get senior positions, own their own companies, and can independently conduct business. The most striking example of a female leader for me is Sheryl Sandberg. At the moment, she is already a member of the Facebook board of directors. Stunning career growth, awards and prizes, several published books, and degree in computer science, and all this is clearly not the limit for such a woman. I think every woman has her own preferences and goals within tech industry. But what I know for sure is that at the moment it's one of the prominent domains in the world. For some, tech is an opportunity for self-realization, for others good working conditions or a high level of incomes and development. As I said above, women are the same as men, are a great example of success in IT. I heard that in large corporations, women are extremely rarely able to fully express themselves. That is why it's highly needed to create a more favorable environment in which women can develop professionally without meeting too many obstacles. There is an opinion that it's necessary to arrive at a gender balance in companies as quickly as possible. I personally haven't encountered unfair conditions and discriminations. At Redwerk, we don't experience any gender imbalance. If you are a good specialist, then you are being treated as a good specialist, nothing else.